Alright, YouTube, y'all can see us pull this thing all the way on out. Trying to set this camera up. There you go. Alright. Turn it to listen.
That one on there?
Yeah. That's what I was holding.
Okay, there we go. Look up on this side.
You good?
Put it on this side.
None, you clear. Spring clear.
Oh, shit. Took him 10 years to get that coat out.
Look like on here. Look like something. Oh, good. Good. Watch this holes.
I know. I told you. I knew he was waiting on it. Y'all see it, YouTube? It's coming on out of here. You gotta go up a little higher. Clear that wall thing.
Ooh, I see in the back he talking about.
You seen that seal blown out of there? You can back him up now.
You know what? If you ain't gonna do it, you should take it. You should. You got enough room in that corner to sit them over.
I know we gon'
Get this
We got to put that thing for that.
for
Set that somewhere.
well,
Here we go. It's all the way out.
no, that's the part we had right there. Okay, now let it down halfway. Then,
There it is. Alright, YouTube, y'all see it. All of us.
and watch this.
oh shit, got it on YouTube.
Got him on YouTube. You already
No, you don't, big homie.
Yeah, we do.
The big homie. Did y'all fire it up yet?
Oh, yeah, we got that.
Oh, you ain't let me. Don't you ever do that.
What I do with those bolts? Had all those bolts.
So I can go to YouTube. Look at this stuff.
Y'all see that? Free and clear.
What type of phones that you got?
This HTC something.
Oh, you got T-Mobile?
Oh, yeah, all day.
On them bolts.
Wait a minute. That's the same phone.
See that? Free and clear, YouTube. It's the motor right there.
That's it. Them bolts. What I see them bolts say?
Little 305.
Oh, sorry, 305.
You heard him? You already know we don't play with
I can make
305.
it 331.
And do some work to him, huh?
Yeah.
Hey man, we gonna
Yep.
get
Now we're going to put it on the engine stand. We got the engine stand standing there. We're going to check back in with y'all in a minute.